Hey guys.
Hey guys.
On the way.
This is not his first USC.
First USC, first actual frat
with the
experience. So this is the beginning of her night. She's doing her
lip liner on the Snapchat camera.
This camera
We're
is
in
like
the Uber.
going through it.
Not I heard my dad call me a
I'm calling
humor.
CPS
Like
on
I'm
them.
obviously very loved and
if you're
ADHD though.
Full
I
what?
think you're ADHD too.
Probably.
Yeah.
I don't want to get diagnosed because that's. Yeah, we'll catch you guys when we're there.
Hey guys.
Hey guys. So we're almost there. We're on frat row. Limos? What are those?
My brother and I were stuck in front of one yesterday. Or yeah.
That's terrible.
Crazy.
But yeah. So we're here and I'm excited. First, frat-licious. What are our missions of the night? Let's remind.
Should we just walk the rest?
We can. How much further is it?
Doesn't matter away. Wait, we're here, right? We just gotta go straight and then it's on the left side here.
Yeah, I'm down. Okay guys, we'll catch you guys when we're in there. Our mission is to make 11 friends. Okay, bye. Hey guys, we're here! Finally! We're gonna have so much fun, we just walked in. But yeah. Oh, that's fine. Okay. Hey vlog! So, we just left the photo booth and took so many cute pictures. So many as in two. We took 2 great pictures. Look at the line now. There's a lot of people waiting, so yeah. Look at the decoration. Alright. Okay, wait, let's update you guys. There was this loud, what was he wearing? Like, purple shirt, zebra stripe. Yeah, he was cute though. He was cute, but it was like a mess. He was like this close, like this close next to Michelle's face.
I didn't love the outfit, but now this is really cute guy looking at me. Now we're watching this. Enough vlog.
You guys, first frat experience. Zon and Zon. We took lots of photos, we made lots of friends. This was a success. Highlights of the night, what do you think? What was your highlight?
We surpassed our mission goals, and Nada got so many. She got 2 "Are you Armenian?" questions.
Favorite. Compliment, by the way.
And the mascara, and we made so many friends and had pictures of 2 girls that we didn't even know.
Yeah.
And we had a really good time.
So mission accomplished. Next time we're gonna party harder. Make double or nothing friends. Now we're on the floor Waiting for Mama and Baba. Yeah. Peace. Bye.